in the hospital now. 7:15 in the morning. Anyways, kailangan ko nang bumangon. Hopefully na payagan na akong aalis ngayon dito. At pagod na rin akong nakahiga dito sa hospital. At tingnan nyo, hanggang ngayon andyan pa yung needle. Hindi ko alam kung may ilalagay pa sila mamaya. Kasi sabi, let's check tomorrow kung ano na yung pakiramdam mo. At kung kailangan ko pa yung isang bote ng alak. Hindi pala alak yung sinasabi ko. IV dextrose. Anyways, ayan, it's 7:50. Pumunta na sila dito na kukunin ang aking dugo, blood works. Natapos na rin akong mag-toothbrush. Ito ang aking washroom. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Ito ang aking bintana. Ang aking backyard ng 3 araw na. Pangatlong araw ko na dito sa lugar na to. Ayan yung CM Tower. Yun. Sabi niya lang, Highway 401. Bakit ako ni hospital? Siyempre, isa lang ang sagot. Nagkasakit. My first time na mai-hospital since nabuhay ako. Pagod na ako doon sa kama ko. Okay na ang aking pakiramdam.
Code blue, level 5, room 521. Code blue, level 5, room 521.
So breakfast for today. Diet jam assorted, 2 each. We get 2%, sweetener, apple slice, creamy fruit yogurt, English muffin with toast, coffee regular. Ayan. Gutom na ako actually because the last dinner I had was totally late. So ito ang una kong kakainin. With jam. Yan lang siya. Ganyan mo lang. Then lunch na. Ay breakfast na. Matigas. Cheese ring. Ito lang ang mga breakfast. Matanda man o bata. Cracker. Pangkape. Saltin. Sakit. Yogurt. Pag i-fold ito, masakit dahil yung needle ay nakatusok sa aking kamay. Kaya parating nakaunat. Ay! Meron namang protas, apple. Hindi siya masarap. Pero okay na yun kaysa wala. Kakain lang ako, napapagod pa. Ayan, tapos na ang aking breakfast. So, after breakfast, kailangan nang uminom ng gamot. Yung gamot ko kahapon, yes. Yung gamot ko kahapon, lahat ay nakalagay sa IV. What I know, I have only a simple pain sa likod ko. Hanggang tumagal-tagal, hindi na pala simple pain. Pati ang kidney ko ay na-infect na. But I'm okay now. Ayan, they put me another antibiotic for today. Hopefully last na yan. Yung iniisip mo na uuwi ka na. Dahil sabi naman ng doktor ko na maganda na pumunta kanina. I'll try my best na magawa lahat ang iyong gamot that match to your blood. Kasi diabetic ako, dapat yung gamot na ibibigay ay hindi ko kontra sa aking dugo. Kasi tinest nila yung dugo ko. Sa awa ng Diyos, normal naman lahat. Kaya lang, mahirap daw na ayusin yun. But I asked the doctor na if possible, gawin niya hanggang mamayang hapon para makauwi na ako this night. Kasi nakakapagod talaga humiga dito sa kama. Ayokong humiga dito, nakaupo lang ako doon, sa upuan doon. Kaya lang kailangan nila maglagay ulit ng medicine. So kaya humiga ulit ako dito. Masakit ang likod ko dito. Hopefully mahabol ko pa ang lunch kasi ang lunch time is 12 o'clock. Magbigay pa sila ng lunch. Mahirap bumangon pa rin. Ay, nahihilo ako talaga. I love the blue sky. Magsi-CR muna ako. Okay, I have here my lunch. Of course, hot water. May tsaa dyan. Ayan, this is the tea. Yogurt. Nasa van pudding or pudding. Sopas. And the main course. Charan. Ang bango. I will read. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. So, sweetener, milk, tapioca pudding, cream of cauliflower. So, that's cream of cauliflower. Oh. Oh, the soup is cream of cauliflower, 180 grams stewed turkey, ratatouille, white rice, sliced carrots, and selected items, FS, sabi niya. Okay. So, turkey. Hopefully, magugustuhan ko siya. Okay na rin. Pasado. Kain muna ako. And then, i-discharge na ako. Ito yung pinaka-worst pag natutulog ako. Pag i-fold ko, masakit. Mahirap ba tong trabaho nyo?
That's okay.
Sabi ko, paano kaya nila alisin ito?
When do you take that?
Mm. Oh, that's simple.
Yeah.
Wala naman. Na-dry na.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
This is your follow-up appointment.
Mm.
Cardiology. They will call you in a week, less than a week. But if they don't call you, give them a call. That's their extension. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
This is your prescription.
Andiyan na lahat-lahat.
Yeah. Everything. You can go back to order.
Do I need to sign this?
No, that's
No?
just your prescription. You just give it to
Okay,
your
all right,
pharmacy.
yeah. Okay, so we'll go to the doctor first.
And then this is your discharge summary. This is your main diagnosis of why you came into hospital.
Mm-mm.
This is everything we've done,
Yeah.
and everything the doctor has done as well.
Okay, okay.
That's everything.
All right, thank you. Ano pang tatanungin ko? Oh, I have one more question.
Yeah.
I have this May 15 follow-up check-up again for my blood works. Do I need to go or what do you think? Because they will do the same for my blood sugar. Yan ang hindi ko natanong kay Doc kanina. Kasi it's like, ang bilis. 22, 23 kahapon, May 15. Dapat magawa ko yun ng May 5.
Oh. May 15.
May 15 ang totally check-up ko. Pero 2 weeks before, di ba? Or a week
Yeah.
before.
You should do your blood work.
Yeah.
I'd recommend doing it just
Okay.
so they have
Yeah.
all the necessary.
Okay, thank you so much. Pupunta pa ba dito yung nurse or ipakita ko na lang sa kanya?
No, it's okay. She went on break. She's the one that made me do the. She's on break.
Okay, thank
you can
you.
go.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, bedroom. I'm not going to miss you. Oh, girl, and close the door. Sayang yung kuryente ng hospital. Salamat ulit sa panunood. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe kay Elkins.